Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I will tell you about the selection tools in Photoshop. In the last tutorial, I will told you about the rectangular tool and marquee tool. So in this tutorial, I will told you about lasso tool, polygonal lasso tool, magnetic lasso tool, and these are more selection tools. So let's start with lasso tool. Lasso tool is a free selection tool. You can selection with this like this. With free hand, you can selection with lasso tool. You can easily select with lasso tool. So I will make a you can make a layer via copy, and this is our selection. So if you want to remove this color, you can also do from here magic eraser tool, and you can see this is our selection which we will do. So let's go back, command alt Z or control alt Z. So to deselect your selection, press control D or command D on Mac. So you can understand lasso tool. So next tool is polygonal lasso tool. So what do polygonal lasso tool? Polygonal lasso tool select the straight lines, like I have a picture here. So this is a picture. We can use selection. We can use here polygonal lasso tool, which is very easy here. You can selection like this. You can click once and you can do like this anywhere. You can go outside on this, there's no problem. So this is our selection. Here this is layer via copy. We can layer via copy, and you can see that this is our selection. So this is background color. So if we remove this background color, you can also do this like I did last time. You can use magic eraser tool. So you can do this, and this is our selection, you can see. So it is also very easy. So I will go back again, and to deselect, press command D or control D. So this is polygonal lasso tool, and last one is magnetic lasso tool. What does magnetic lasso tool? In this picture we can do this. Sorry, this is our original picture. When you want to select any picture, you can take a new layer, not the original picture. Take a new picture, or take a new layer and work on new layer, not the original picture. So it will not disturb, otherwise it will be disturbed if you not take a new layer. So I will use here magnetic lasso tool. I will click here, and you can see this is very easily select this bottle, and very easily and perfect selection with magnetic lasso tool. You can see this. So this is our selection, and now again I take layer via copy, and you can see this is our selection here. You can see this, the picture which I will be selected this, and this is our result very perfectly this here. And now next is quick selection tool. So what does quick selection tool? Quick selection tool is very easy and quickly perfect work with, we can do this. I will do again back, and I'm also can use here. I will do just like this, and you can see this is our selection very perfectly. Now it's take go back on all sides, so I press alt and it will delete the selection, and where I was take this, the selection will be perfect here, also here. And if you want to add, this is now plus button, and if I press alt button, it minus the selection. So if you want to add the selection, you can press like this and it will your selection add. So this is also save selection on. We will go layer via copy, and you can see this is the result. So it's also in the selections in the center, so I can control Z, otherwise there is no problem here. Command alt Z, or so this is quick selection tool. Magic wand tool select all the color selections. It will see the color here, this color is in the area, so it will select all the area from here. It will match the color, so if we will take same color, it will select all the area like this. And if I will use here, you can this, it will take this area because tolerance is 30. If I reduce 10, and now I will select, so you can see this, the selection was less, not like here, because tolerance is less. If I increase the tolerance, it will take much selection. You can see this, it will take all the selections according to this area, according to this color. So this is the selection tools which I will be told here. So these are the lasso tool, these are the selections. It will aid selection, it will minus or subtract selection, it will intersect the selections buttons here, it will be feather or anti-alias. So what is anti-alias? If we can create a circle without anti-alias, it has no pixels like this. So I can give an example here. Commands, or I can take a circle here without anti-alias. Or delete, and when I zoom it, you can see this. These are smooth and these are not much smooth here. You can see the difference here and here according to the anti-alias. This have no anti-alias and this is have anti-alias. So let's meet in the next tutorial. Take care. Goodbye.